some secondary dominants into B flat major. So I'm just gonna add the key signature here so we can easily see it. So we're writing it in B flat major, and we're using the top line as an example, right, to transpose. So first, let's start by writing the scale, right? So B flat is your first step, then you have C, then you have D, then E flat, then F, then G, then A, and again B flat. So B flat is your 1, C is your 2, D is your 3, E flat is your 4, F is your 5, G is your 6th step, and A is your step 7 of the scale, right? So we need to arrive first into the 6th step of scale, which is in this case is what? It's G. So you're gonna write some G minor in this case. So if you look at the example, you will see that it's in the root position in this case. So you're gonna just write, and that actually just says root position, right? So you're gonna write G on the bottom, and if you look at this one, you will see that it's the right hand is in 6/3 inversion. So all you have to do is write G on top, right? Then D, then B. That's it. Okay. So here you go. Okay, now let's figure out what's the 5th 7 of G. Well, that's kind of easy. If G is your 1, let's count. So G is 1, A is 2, B flat is 3. So I'm just gonna like dot it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So D is your 5. And in this case, you just have to write it in the root position, right? So, and do you see how it goes from here to here? So you're just gonna put your D up on top right here. Okay. And then if you look up here, you will see that we don't have all 4 notes of the chords, right? We missing, in fact, the 5th, right? So what you need to do in this case is just to write D, then you're gonna write another D right here. Okay. Then you're gonna go the 2nd down, and then you'll need this. Here's your chord, and notice that there's always a half step in between, right? So you'll have to write actually what, F sharp right here. Here we go. So that's your first chord. Now let's look at the second one. So it's a 5, 6, 5 of 5. Okay, what is your 5 in this case? It's F. And again, it's going to be in the root position. So you're going to just write F. And if you look here, the right hand is just in root position, right? So you're going to write F major is in a root position like this. I guess you can put the stem up here and stem down here. Good. So what is 5 of F? Let's try to figure it out. C is your 5. So if you count, F is your 1, G is your 2, A is your 3, B flat is your 4, C is your 5. Okay. So, and it also says you have to write it in 6/5. Let's try to figure it out. So first of all, the example shows that to the bass you just need a half step down. So here's your answer, right? So you're gonna put E to F, and because you have E flat in the key signature, you have to cancel E flat by writing the natural. Okay. So you've got your bottom. Now let's see what else you have here. Well, you will see that the 2 of those notes are the same. So again, you're just going to write C, right? So then you have to write the 2nd to the left and then the 4th down. So here you go. Okay, now you don't have to change anything else. And let's see what is going to look better. Probably stem up. Oops. That's the wrong place. I would put it right here. Okay, let's figure out the next one. So you going into 4. So what is your 4 in B flat? Your 4 is E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna write again E flat. And if you look here, it's in 6/3. Your right hand is 6/3, so you have to write G, B flat, and E flat. Here you go. Okay. Hope that makes sense. Okay, now let's see how do we get here. We have to figure out what is the 5 of E flats. Okay, if E flat is your 5, what is sorry, if E flat is your 1, what is your 5? Okay, E flat 1, F2, so G3, A4, so 5 is B flat, okay? And do you see how you're just going this way? So you have a fifth down, so you're basically going to write B flat right here, okay? And let's see what is happening here. Do you see how you have half step in between again? So you're going to write D, then you have to write the third down, and then the second to the left. You can just copy what is going on, but obviously you need to copy on the right notes, right? So here you go. And because here you need a whole step, do you see how it's a C natural to D? So you have to add the A flat to this chord, otherwise it's not going to sound right. Okay, so see if you can figure out the rest by yourself using the tools I just showed you.